Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how does the pivot disable drill data option works in the dashboard in AIV. So let's get started. Now to see how does the disable drill data option works in a pivot, we will first of all go to the pivot component in the widget panel. The type we will keep as table and dataset we will select as sales.ds. Now, once we do that, these dataset columns will appear, and now we will drag and drop the country into rows like this. Now, then we will drag and drop month in the column option like this. And then we will drag and drop year in rows. And then we will drag and drop quantity ordered in values. Now here we will keep the settings as it is. Only thing that we will change is the type. We will keep sum over here. And once we do that, we will click on this check option here. Now I'll click on preview and save and exit. So you'll see that we have created the pivot here. And you'll see that when I am clicking on the quantity ordered of Australia, like this, I'm able to see the drill data of that particular country, which is Australia. So you can see once I clicked on the quantity ordered of Australia, you are able to see the name of the country, the order number, the year, the country code, the quantity ordered, price each, product name, product line, all these columns. So this is the drill data of the country Australia, which I am able to view when I am clicking on the quantity ordered. Same way, if I click on the quantity ordered of Austria, I'll be able to see the drill data of Australia. Now, if I click on this edit option of this pivot widget, and in the bottom here I have an option of disable pivot drill data. Now say for example, if you do not wish to see the drill data, you can check this option and click on preview and save and exit. And now when I click on the quantity ordered option of Australia, you'll see that you are not able to see the drill data of this country since you have disabled that option of drill data now. So this is how the drill data option works in the pivot widget in the dashboard in AIV. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, please mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.